Now we'll speak about second type or second forms of energy. Movement energy. The first type was potential energy, second type movement energy. Number one in movement energy, kinetic energy. Any moving object has kinetic energy. When an object with kinetic energy strikes another object, what happens? A force acts on them both that will distort the second object or set it moving. Look at the picture in front of you. Two cars, one at static position and the other one in movement. When this one move, it push this one and give it force to allows it to move. So the original position of the car, this part, when this car strikes this one, it gives it some forces to allow it to move steps. So it moves centimeters or meters. And also, if this boy strikes a ball, it gives it a force or give it energy, allows it, this ball runs away. So, movement energy is kinetic energy. Any moving object has kinetic energy. Second form of movement energy, sound energy. Sound energy is produced by the vibration of an object. Sound energy is produced by the vibration of an object. Your voice, when you speak, you have all of us have vocal cords, two vocal cords. When you speak, try to speak, at the beginning the vocal cords vibrates and the air is vibrating during speaking, and this is produced sound. So sound is produced due to vibration of an object like our vocal cords. So sound is produced by the vibration of an object. The energy passes through the air by the movement of the atoms and molecules. So sound energy is produced due to movement of atoms, particles. Yes, so we have movement, so we have vibration. This is type of movement energy, sound energy. The energy passes through the air by the movement of the atoms and the molecules. Sound energy also can pass through solids, liquids, and other gases. Look at the musical instrument. Look at the musical instrument. Look at stretching this wire, it produces sound. Also, we mentioned before, this is stretching due to strain energy, and also the stretching of a wire produces sound because the air vibrates, the air vibrates through the objects and produce sound. As the musical instrument give us sound, and sound is a form of energy forms. Okay. Number 3, electrical energy. Electrical energy is the movement of electric charges. The electrical energy is the movement of electric charges through a conductor wire such as copper or graphite. All of you know the electricity is due to electric charges or electrons that pass through a conductor wire like copper. So electrical energy can flow through this conductor material copper and allow electricity to pass from one object to another. So electrical energy is the movement of electric charges that move through a conductor wire such as copper or graphite. The electric charges are given electrical energy by the battery. The reaction happens inside the battery. Chemical energy, we mentioned before, chemical energy happens inside or released in the battery due to chemical reaction between its components. So chemical energy in the battery changes into electrical energy. So changes into electrical energy. The energy is changed into light. If you connect the battery in a torch, so the lamp will light up. Yes. So the energy is changed into other form like light and heat. Again, we have three types. Until now, we have three types of movement energy. Number one, kinetic energy. Number one, kinetic energy. Number two, sound energy. Number three, electrical energy. Number four, thermal energy. Thermal energy or internal energy. Internal energy is also called thermal energy. All substances are made up of particles, because substances means matter, and the matter consists of particles. Yes, maybe the matter solid, maybe liquid, maybe gas. All substances are made of particles, and these particles possess a certain amount of energy. Which allows them to move. هتقولي السوليد ازاي موف يا ميس؟ هقولك البارتكل vibrate in its position. البارتكل بتاعت السوليد انا ما بحسش بيها، لكن في موفمنت بسيطة جدا بتبقى بقول عليها vibrating in its position. When substance is heated, I give him energy, so the particle can move faster than in a liquid, in a settled or static situation. When a substance is heated, this movement increases because I give the particle a lot of space to move. The particle in a solid are moving backward and forward about a fixed position, وده اللي أنا بقول عليه vibrate in a fixed position. The particle in a solid are moving backward and forwards about a fixed position. The particles in a liquid move more quickly and can move past each other. Slide. ممكن أقدر أقول بدل ما أقول past each other أقول slide over each other. So the particles in a liquid move more quickly and can move past each other. The particle in a gas can move freely in all directions at high speeds. When substance is heated, the particle receive more energy and move faster. Look at the particle. This is lattice shape. Give the solid definite shape, so the particle move forward and backward or vibrate in its position. Forward and backward. Number 5, electrical energy. So we mentioned kinetic energy, sound energy, electric energy and thermal energy, and electromagnetic energy. Electromagnetic energy, number 5. There is a form of energy that can travel through a space at the speed of light. This a form of energy that can travel through a space at the speed of light. This kind of energy travels in waves that have some properties of electricity and some properties of magnetism. Yes, we mentioned before when we speak about force, we mentioned we have two types of force, contact and non-contact. النون-contact force المagnetism، لو نفتكر مع بعض قلنا على المagnetism ان هي non-contact. Okay, this travels through a waves. This kind of energy travels in waves that have some properties of electricity and some properties of magnetism. They are called electromagnetic waves. These waves make up rays of light and heat. This form of energy is sometimes called radiation energy. We mentioned before electromagnetic energy consists of some radiation energy like infrared, like visible light, visible light, white light, X-ray, and so on. Ultraviolet rays, infrared rays, microwaves rays, gamma rays, all these radiation energy that can move through space with a definite wavelength. After that light energy is a visible energy escaping from sun. This is visible light energy is white light energy. Visible energy escaping from sun can spread out by a prism or a shower of raindrops into light of different wavelengths. Our eyes can detect different colors of rainbow with different wavelengths. This is energy conversion. Look at forms of energy.